If you are looking for a privacy protection service, then you're in the right place. Today we are putting 3 of the best head-to-head. We're going to have a look at Incogni, we're also going to have a look at DeleteMe, and we are going to finally have a look at Aura. We want to know what they offer in terms of privacy and how they can actually benefit your experience. Alright, we're looking at Incogni now, and if you are looking for automated online privacy protection, then Incogni is a good choice. It's an automated platform that is now taking control of your digital footprint by systematically removing personal data from hundreds of data broker databases worldwide. Some of their features include their automated data removal. This sends personalized removal requests to over 180 data brokers automatically, eliminating manual work and ensuring comprehensive coverage across the data marketplace. It provides 24/7 surveillance of your personal information exposure online, detecting when your data appears or reappears and triggering immediate removal actions. You have a progress dashboard as well, so this features an intuitive interface that will display your real-time removal progress, broker response statuses, as well as detailed analytics on your privacy improvement over time. The last thing over here is some of their advantages and benefits. So it is time saving. This eliminates hundreds of hours of manual work by automating the complex privacy requests, allowing you as a user to reclaim your time while achieving superior results. It also has significantly reduced identity theft risk by minimizing personal data availability across the internet. This creates a proactive barrier against malicious actors. Okay, we're looking at DeleteMe now, and DeleteMe is a human-powered privacy service where dedicated experts manually remove your personal information from major data broker websites using personalized strategies and persistent follow-up. So here are some of their features. They have the expert manual removal, and this is so different to what everyone else is doing and how everyone else is doing it. So this manual input, you receive trained privacy specialists that personally handle your data removal from major broker sites, using customized approaches and persistent follow-ups to ensure complete erasure. They have quarterly progress reports, so you can receive detailed reports every 3 months showcasing all of your removal statuses, your newly discovered exposures, and also comprehensive analysis of your privacy improvement journey. So this is all long-term. They have a dedicated support team, which allows you to work directly with assigned privacy experts who understand your unique situation and provide personalized guidance through the entire removal process. Some of their advantages is the human experts ensure comprehensive data removal that goes beyond just your automation, addressing more complex cases and persistent brokers that require specialized attention and negotiation tactics. You get regular detailed reports that keep you fully informed with clear explanations, actionable insights, and progress updates that make complex privacy processes easy to understand. It also dramatically improves online privacy while reducing unwanted marketing calls, spam calls, and sophisticated scam attempts that target exposed personal information. Alright, we're looking at Aura now, and it's a very comprehensive digital security platform. It's an all-in-one ecosystem that combines identity theft, protection, device security, privacy tools, all into one unified platform for complete peace of mind. If you are looking for a single platform that can do all of this and do it very well, then Aura is a good choice. Let's have a look at what else they offer. So some of the features include their identity theft protection. This is a real-time credit monitoring system across all 3 bureaus with instant alerts for suspicious activity, new accounts, and credit score changes that could indicate fraud. It also offers a continuous monitoring of dark web marketplaces and criminal forums for compromised credentials, personal information, and financial data linked to your identity. It has integrated military-grade VPN services for secure browsing, plus advanced password management with encrypted storage. This gives you automatic generation and breach detection capabilities. Some of their advantages, some of their benefits, Aura offers a complete digital protection. So it has a unified platform which protects your identity, your device, and all of your online activity all simultaneously, which will eliminate security gaps and will provide comprehensive defense against any modern digital threats. It also has real-time notifications which give you an immediate response to potential threats, minimizing damage and providing a step-by-step guidance for any rapid threat solutions, as well as any recovery steps. You can also streamline complex security tasks into one intuitive dashboard, making advanced protection accessible for everyday users like you and I without having any technical expertise required. Ladies and gentlemen, there is no doubt that there are many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and look through them and actually try them, physically use them, and see what actually works for you specifically. If this was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.